And now the black MacBook is being given Windows 7, and I also got Windows 10, but I'm not sure if it will work on this, but we're going to start with Windows 7 and see how that goes. So it's taking a hot minute. And boom, there we are. It is starting Windows. Alright, so I guess that'll take a few minutes to get itself together. Alright, and I'll be back again. And we are at the welcome screen. I just did the setup, the Wi-Fi. Now we just wait for it to prepare our desktop. It took a long time to do this work, but hopefully it's worth it. Lord have mercy. There we go. Ta-da! We have a working copy of Windows 7. Alright. Now, let's see. I have to activate this too. But yeah, so there you go. 32-bit operating system, shows the Intel Core 2 Duo, T7400, 2 gigs of RAM. So, yeah, alright. Now I'm going to update it and all that good stuff, and maybe I'll put Windows 10 on it. Alright, so I got all the drivers for Boot Camp. Had to find that online. Put Windows 10 on a disk. Oh, look at that. You can see right through the damn thing. It's kind of cool. Anyway, so this will be Windows 10 1903 on this 2007 MacBook. So I put it on disk. Not that you have to, but this is the 32-bit version. We're going to just see if it'll let me do it. Okay. I figured I don't want to do all these Windows updates for Windows 7 if I'm just going to update it, so why not? Let's see, is it going to read it? It is slowly but surely reading it. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Is it? Oh, there we go. All right. Let's see. Do you want to allow this? Yes. Yes, I do. Run setup.exe. Okay. And unfortunately, I found out that one of the USBs on here is not working. I'm not sure if there's something wrong with it, or if maybe it got dented or something, but it's this one, the first one. So I only have one USB port that works. That really sucks. Okay, I guess it's going here. Oh, where's my... oh, there we go. Okay. It is thinking, preparing. It is quite a slow process. But I do think it's pretty cool that I have at least Windows 7 on here, so it can run something that's still supported. Yeah. Wow. You guys remember that sound? It's a lovely sound. Okay, this is gonna take forever. I'll be back. Okay, got all the updates and all that good junk. Now it's going to ask me what to keep. God, this takes forever. Dear God, these updates. And it looks like we're just about in.
Kind of. Not like, I don't like them that much. Yeah.
It's taking a while here. So I tried installing Windows 10 and it got done, but it would log into the desktop, take a long time to load icons, and then it would crash. And there's no way to get to the safe mode, and I'm not sure. Maybe I'll try it at some other point, but it was the newest version, 1903. Maybe if I had an older version of Windows 10, maybe it would work. So instead, I'm trying Windows 8.1. It is currently doing its setup process, and we'll see if I have any better luck with this. If not, it'll be on Windows 7, and that's how it'll stay. It's still supported, fortunately, so yeah. Anyway, I'll be back when this is done, and hopefully we have better luck. And here's some good news. It got to the start screen finally. Let's see. Well, let's pick a color here. What do we got? We got red. I think red looks kind of nice on this. Since it's a black MacBook, black and red, I like that. Okay, now it wants me to go online. Okay, get online. Sure. Automatically get different, yes. Automatically have to apps. Yeah, okay, that sounds alright. Okay. Use Bing to get search suggestions and web results in Windows search. How about no? Yeah, who cares? We'll just go ahead and click next. And now I'm gonna guess this is gonna take a while because they're setting things up for me, so we'll let them set things up for me. Oh, they're gonna get some critical updates. Yeah, alright. I'll let this thing do its thing, and I'll be back when it's done, probably in like an hour or whatever. Okay, so I did get Windows 8.1 working on here. I got most of the drivers working. It wouldn't allow me to do the boot camp program because it only works on Windows 7, but I was able to use the drivers individually. Just don't know what drivers I should use. Anyway, so the last time I had issue with the 1903 update on here, so I'm going to try, mind you, to put Windows 10 1809 on here. Maybe that'll still work, but this is just an adventure in seeing how far I can take this. But this runs pretty well with Windows 8.1. It runs really well with Windows 7. Probably would be better with 7 on it. But like I said, we're just going to try it, see if it works, okay? Does Windows 8.1 open ISOs? I think it does. There it goes. Oh, I opened it twice. Whoops. Alright. I downloaded a little theme. Yeah, it took me a little bit to find the 1809 update since for 32-bit, but I found it. So I'm going to do it as an in-place upgrade, and this was the same thing I did with Windows 7 to Windows 10. Not sure if that caused the issue with the previous update, but I can't install directly. It has to be Windows 7. It just gives me this weird thing when I try to do it directly from a disk. So I'm doing an in-place upgrade, and hopefully this will go a little bit faster than the CD did, or the DVD. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and do this, and let's see what happens, and I'll be back. So I got Windows 10 on here, and I am running the Windows 10 debootloader, and it looks like it's been updated. So I chose the GUI option, and when you go into it, well, let me minimize that. You'll see you still have the Windows 10 script, GUI script, and GUI old script. So that's kind of cool. So I chose the new one, and you have options to remove all of these. So it gives you all the list of different apps you can remove. Just a lot of stuff. So you can disable telemetry, remove registry keys associated with the bloatware, revert changes, unpin start menu tiles, disable Cortana or enable Cortana, remove selected software packages. Let me see. I guess that means select default packages to remove. Okay. Can you select multiple ones? Yes. So you can just Control C and then, or Shift to, select them all. You can go down here. Sorry, hit Shift to select them all. Okay. Now we'll go back to the actual PowerShell script. And we can see it starts to remove everything. There you go. You can see the names of the app. Alright, this probably will take a while, but it's kind of cool. It's been updated. So you have some new options, so now you know what apps are showing up and what it's going to remove. So that's a nice update. So if you haven't tried Windows 10 debootloader, definitely give it a try. It's great. So since I did these other videos, I actually did replace the hard drive in here with an SSD. I should have taken a video of that, but I didn't. Anyway, it runs a lot better, and I had to reinstall everything. I couldn't clone the drive because the hard drive was 160 gigs and the one I bought was 120 gigs, and I just didn't feel like messing with all that. So anyway, so I'll show you what I ended up putting on here. So, and that is new, Recovery HD. So, here's what I ended up putting on here, and I may change it, you never know. There it goes. Yeah, it's Windows 7 again, I know. It does run a little bit faster than it did before. I definitely feel like this thing needs like a full clean out. Maybe I should get more RAM for it. I don't know if that would really make a difference. But it's still a decent little machine and still runs pretty good. Yeah, so there we go. Still runs pretty good. And I'll show you a little SSD here. So we've got, I gave it half and half. So both of them got about 55 gigs of space a piece. And all the drivers work, Wi-Fi is good. you know, all that good old stuff here. So you're able to actually go in here and click the little diamond, little boot camp diamond, and then restart into Mac OS 10. And voila. I'll show you another little change. Something I found out. So I originally thought that this only supported up to Snow Leopard. And I thought that was just really odd because it came with Tiger. So I got Tiger, Leopard, and Snow Leopard. I was like, wow, only 3 versions of the operating system were okay on here. Well, turns out I was wrong. I was wrong. So it turns out it can run Lion. So I put Lion on it. And it runs great. So yeah. If I can find out a way to, you know, do any more, maybe I'll update it again, but I think I'll have to do one of these patching tools, and I don't know. We'll see. If you guys are interested in it, I'll do it. If not, no harm, no foul. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.